Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you my personal experience of getting J2 work authorization. Yeah, if you have a J2 visa, you can work in the USA on any job as you like. So if your husband is J1 visa, you will be having a J2 dependent visa, but you can apply online and send your documents to the US department, and they can give you work authorization as well as SSN. So after that you can immediately start to work in any place in US. So yeah, isn't that a great news? If you have a J2 dependent visa, you can work legally in the US, because on F2 visas you cannot have SSN and you cannot work legally. So for me, it took 2.5 months when I sent my documents and when I received my SSN. So now I'm gonna walk you through step by step how I did it on my computer. So now I'm gonna show you step by step how I did and which website I used. So I did everything by myself, from filling the application and filing the form. I didn't use any agencies or authority services, and I think everyone can do it, even if you don't know English. Simple English is enough to fill this application form. So you go to US Citizenship and Immigration Service official website. For the easy way to search is, you can put I-765 on Google and it will come out as application for employment authorization. This one, the first one. So you come to this website. Here's the form I-765, where you just put your general information, your passport information, name and address and etc. And in this form also you need to put a tick where you write that you need your SSN with work authorization, which is very important. So here's the instructions. Everything is written over there. You can have a look. So you need to download PDF files, type it on your computer, print them out, sign them, and send application by paper, by post. So where you're gonna send it depends on your location. So we are foreign students under the category of C5, yeah, J2 non-immigrant status, and we check here. Depending on your state where you live, you're gonna use this postal services, and the address is here. So if you're living in Alaska, you're gonna send your documents to Phoenix by using or USPS or FedEx, depending what you want to use. Go back, and how much is it? You have to pay $410. It's application fee. You can send it by completing the form G1450, where you put your credit card information and they're gonna take money from there. You don't need to pay for 85 biometric services. It's not for J2 visas. So that's a straightforward. Let's check checklist. What you need for J2 visitors. So here is the checklist. What you need. I did this checklist and put all the information and documents there, and plus I put extra my documents. I'm gonna show it on my cover letter, so let's go there. So cover letter, it's a statement where you say that you're not gonna support your family and your money will go only to you, and that your spouse or J1 visa is having enough salary. Here first you're gonna write your details and the address where you're gonna send your documents, date. It's just basically you can take it on Google, just search for cover letter and it come out, or you can just type it down below in the comments. I can send it to you. It's a general cover letter. So here are the documents I'm listing which I have included in my application. So I put just 8 documents. So 14, 15 it's a form, and actually I put them in this order. So first, when they open my documents, they see G1450 on the top, and then goes G1145. This one, first one is you need to put your money that you have put your credit card and you're paying for this form. Second is this form is for notification. You can find it online too on the official website. It's where you put your like phone number, and they're gonna send you message to your phone that they have received your application and they are proceeding with it. Third one is the main form, and then it goes your general like DS, yours, I-95 and 94, excuse me, yours and your husband, passport of mine and my husband, and 2 photos of me I included. It's like a passport size photo. I just did it at home. I didn't go to any studio. Just on the white wall my husband took a photo of me, and we just made of size of passport size. And the last one, I included a marriage certificate. It's in my hometown Russian language, so I included a copy of original, which is in Russian language, and a translation, which is in English. I translated, and also the cert is certification of translation. So all I did translation by myself because it's available also on Google. Just search it, and you just the difference is your name actually. And certification of translation also you can find it online in the Google, but I can send it to you if you'd like a copy, which I did myself, which I included in my package. So let me show the certificate of translation. It looks like this, to immigration services, and just the details and the names who translated. I put it here my actually sister who's working in official language center. I translated myself and she just checked it and put her signature. This was enough actually to send and get my authorization and SSN. There wasn't any issues on it. And I sent all my documents, and as mentioned, I got like in 3 months, I think, or less than 3 months, I got my SSN and work authorization. And they haven't contacted me with any issues. There wasn't any contact from them, and yeah, that was straightforward. And I think you can do it yourself as well. If you have any questions, please leave down in the comments and like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions, also leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.